Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Got my mystery tackle box in. This will be September's box. We'll go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, go Gators. Let's see what we got in here first. Let's get our card out. Let y'all take a quick look at that. Alright, first up is 10,000 Fish Headhunter. Take it out of the package. This bait says it has a magnetic snag resistant hook. Let's see right there. It's got some pretty color to it. The hook is right there. And then it falls down and keeps. So when the fish grab it, boom. But I like that. Should be able to catch some on that. The tail is got like a little paddle to it. Get some good motion out of that. We'll have to see what it looks like when fishing with it. Next up we have Catch Outdoors Zero Gravity Jig. Show you the back side of that one so you can read it if you would like. Alright, it says zero gravity, no lead, slow falling, 1 foot every 3 seconds. I'm not 100% sold on the color yet. It's got a nice guard to keep it weedless, real stiff, hooks pretty sharp. Super light, so we'll have to see how that works out. Next up we have Vertical Lures Tube X. Let's see. They are green pumpkin with red flake. Let's take one of them out. Might be able to pair this up with that jig right there, if I can get it to focus on. Yeah, I think I can make that work. Yeah, I think that'll work. Have to try that one out next time I'm out. Next we have Bruiser Bait Crawl Crazy Crawl, I'm sorry. This is in the Firebug colors. It's a larger bait. I would probably just fish this one with the weight. It's so big. Then they always include us with some hooks. This time we got some Harmony Fishing. Always like them Harmony Fishing hooks. Then on to the sticker, which this one's pretty cool. Bassmobile. Then our usual literature. We've got a little pamphlet on the Headhunter. It comes in, looks like 2 sizes, a 1/2 ounce and an ounce. Different colors. And it shows you where to fish and how to fish it. And then dibble fishing tips and tricks. Alright y'all, be sure to like and subscribe to my page, like this video, share this video, whatever you need to do. And have a great week, and go Gators.